Hi, welcome to this video. I guide you through how to fix Instagram music not available in your region. Now, to fix that problem, quickly switch to a personal account. So head over to your profile in the bottom right, click the three lines in the top right menu. Inside, you're gonna go ahead and search for personal, account type in tools. And from here, you're gonna switch to a personal account instead. Next, if the problem still persists, update Instagram. So go to your App Store or Google Play, search for Instagram, double check if Instagram needs to be updated. And as you can see, it needs to be updated. All you gotta do is just hit update. If the problem still persists after update, head over to settings, general, iPhone storage, and I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. Go to Instagram, offload the app to release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app. Lastly, you're gonna turn off any VPN, right? Or you can turn on VPN if it's not available in your region to bypass any regional licensing restrictions, right? Turn it off if the problem is fixed after you completed those steps. But if the problem still persists, use a VPN to bypass regional licensing, okay? So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.